Hey you, it's Aliya and I am back again with another video. So y'all, in today's video, I'm gonna attempt to do the what are they called? Oh my gosh, I can't think of the name. Butterfly locks. Hopefully y'all don't hear that music bumping. I don't know who decided to play music this time of the night. But anyway, yeah y'all, so I'm gonna try to do butterfly locks. And yeah, I have to wash my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna blow dry. I don't usually blow dry my hair because it will always shrink back down and it's literally wasting my time and all of that. But yeah, I have to do that. Then I have to braid it. Then I'm gonna get back to y'all tomorrow when I actually get into it. So when I get back, I'm probably gonna come back from the shower and yeah. So y'all, I just came from out the shower from washing my hair, and I just have it in these two little thingies, and I'm about to get started. I have some water, you know. I got some water because you know, like my hair is already starting to get dry. So this is leave-in conditioner. That's it. I got a comb. Oh, this easy detangling brush, and then blow dryer. It's this attachment and this one. I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet, but I'm probably gonna alternate them. So y'all, I am finished blow drying my hair. I'm just gonna put my hair up so I can go to sleep, and I'm gonna start on my actual hairstyle tomorrow. So y'all, it's the next day and I just had my hair like this. Well, I didn't go to sleep like that, but it was like this because I had to go to the store to get the hair. But yeah. Oh, I didn't know I left the pin in there. But I have to put it into, I watch videos. Like, I don't know exactly how to do it, but I think I do. I think I can figure it out. Thank you. I have hands in the back of me. I have to go through and make like braids with just my hair first, and then crochet the other hair in, and then wrap the, y'all see later. So that's what I'm just gonna get ready. I have to brush out my hair first, or comb it out. So all right, so let's see if I can do this without. You can see the back of my head. You can see the back of my head. This is Shine and Jam. I have this Cuban twist hair. This is the hair that I got, and then this hair. So y'all, I've been testing it out to see how it would turn out, and look. So this one, I don't really know what's going on, but I mean it does look okay, I guess. See that? Then down here, I don't know what to do with that. And then this one is pretty thick, but then the end, it's like, and then I don't know what to do with the Marley hair. Oh, bruh. So y'all, it's 3:22 and I am still going. Like, I'm about to finish this whole row before I go to sleep, and I have church tomorrow in the morning. So yeah y'all, let's just get into it. is the end. This is actually 4 weeks after. 4 weeks after. This is how it's looking now. Next time I know what to do, because it did come out a little like puffier. Not puffier, but more volume, and I would prefer it to be a little bit thinner, but I think they're cute. I really do. I think they're cute, but next time I'll do them a little bit smaller if I do them again. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have everything in the description. And yeah, y'all, bye.